Hey folks, I have a beautiful tenor instrument for you today. This is number 750. Bit of a special number, I guess it's a round number. And everything on this instrument is from Kevin at woodfromthewest.com. So his operation is in Central California, and a lot of the woods he gets are California and Oregon woods. So everything on here is from him. The back and sides are some beautiful stripy curly myrtle, tiny curls and flecks in it. It's really nice, colorful stuff. And I find the stuff that's dark is a little harder. It's good for backs and sides. And then the top is some beautiful curly Porterford cedar. And Porterford cedar is from the southwest part of Oregon. It's not really logged commercially anymore like it used to be. So a lot of these things are old salvage logs and like old bridge piers and things that are taken down. And Kevin knows where the good ones are. The neck is Porterford cedar with a three-piece myrtle and black stripe right there. And then fretboard, head plate, and bridge are myrtle as well. And this is a really hard piece of myrtle I knew would be good for a fretboard. Crazy matching. And then some of you may notice that this is a rosette instead of my normal sound hole binding. And Kevin sent me some rosettes he cut on one of his machines, and I finally got around to trying it. So I know it's kind of a weird thing to celebrate because rosettes are just rosettes. Everybody does them. But I've always done sound hole binding, so this is kind of an interesting one for me. And it was fun to make that because I got to practice with some of my hand tools and made this just with hand tools the way that they would have, 100 years ago. So yeah, it's a great instrument. Not only does it use all cool woods that I really love the sound and feel of and look of, but it's from one of our trusted suppliers who has the same ideas we do about sustainability and salvage and getting the most out of these beautiful local trees. Yeah, it's a good one. So number 750, ready to go. A bit of a special one. Cheers.